See there, 100 and odd pound. So guys, this is everything I got for £102 to be exact. £102 from two different supermarkets. Well, one is from a shop they call it, but they call it off license, and one from a supermarket. So yeah, I'm pleased with the pork belly. I'm just gonna cut that up in small pieces and season it, bag it up in different bags, and chuck it in the freezer so I can just grab and go next time. Yeah, all right then. Guys, look, this is mine. I'm just gonna have a taste, and I can't wait because I'm starving. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Thank you for joining my channel. So I just got back from a Jamaican shop and I got some Jamaican produce, and I just want to show you guys how much I paid for it and what I got. So yeah, that's my boy playing with his toys around the kitchen, around the kitchen, around the kitchen. So he's pushing his truck. He doesn't want to come on the camera. Yeah, he's 1 year old, but he doesn't want to come on the camera. He cries every time I put him on the camera. So all right then, let's show you the produce. Guys, I am facing it. I honestly cannot get a time for myself. I really want to do the video, but it just kept interrupting me. I want to do this video. I want to show you guys what I got from the shop and how much I paid for it. All right then, 1, 2, 3, let's do it. I got some frozen kingfish. Love kingfish. Got 2 packets. See? Got some green bananas. Mommy. Oh, 1 second. Mommy. Okay. I got this lovely piece of pumpkin. See? Really nice piece of pumpkin. I think I paid £5 just for this pumpkin alone. Yeah. The good thing with the pumpkin is that I can cook it for the baby as well. And then 1 second again. So I like the pumpkin. It's there. Look, I wasn't force ripe. So nice 6 plantains I got. 3 sweet corns. These 2 pak choy, and 2 bags of kingfish. What's this? 5 fingers of banana, and this is a bad boy pumpkin. Can't wait to have it. That's what I got. Yeah, all of that I paid £34 to be exact. £34. I thought I got more stuff than that, but that's all I got for £34. No joke. See? No joke. That's all I got for £34. Not cheap, innit? Jamaican stuff in the UK, they're not cheap. And I think in Jamaica is the same anyways, but I think it's more over here. It's back in Jamaica, me, I plant these things, I don't buy them. I plant these things, I don't buy them. I don't know if they grow over here unless, I don't know. Yeah. If I'm back in Jamaica, I would buy the fish as a whole. I wouldn't buy it sliced, and I wouldn't buy it frozen. I always like go and choose my fish from the fish market or so. Over here, I normally go to Birmingham. I used to go London, but they don't scale them over there. So I found this place in Birmingham. They scale it and just choose what you want, and you're happy. I intend my snapper and my parrot and some salmon, because those are the two type of fish I like. Well, the three types of fish I like. And then I went back to another supermarket. Oops. I got some of this stuff. And I think I paid £70 for these stuff. I got this at a reduced price, 69p. Got this cabbage here for £2. I got some scrubbers. We need to scrub the pots. I'll show you. Use these to scrub the pots so that they don't. Because yeah, after you cooking it for a while, because this gas stove, the pots tend to change color and get the burn. So scrub them up. Got these two cucumbers for £1.49. Got this scotchy, they call it now. Scotch bonnet peppers. Scotch bonnet chilies. Scotch bonnet chilies. That's what they call it. Got these. I paid £1.99 for that, something like that. Got some reduced spring onions. Yeah. And I got this bad boy for, this is a piece of pork belly. I got it for, God, how much for it? £30.59 to be exact. Yeah, for my jerk pork, you know. I'm gonna do a lot of jerk already. Because the people them like jerk. Jerk chicken and jerk pork. Yep. And corn. Yeah, so in all I paid, round it off to 100 and something pound, innit? £101 something or something, 100 and, yeah. See there? 100 and odd pound. So guys, this is everything I got for £102 to be exact. £102 from two different supermarkets. Well, one is from a shop, they call it, what they call it, off license, and one from a supermarket. So yeah, I'm pleased with the pork belly. I'm just gonna cut that up in small pieces and season it, bag it up in different bags, and chuck it in the freezer so I can just grab and go next time. Yeah, all right then. Okay, I'm gonna cook some food now. Me hungry. Me say me hungry. So I'm gonna cook some dumpling and banana. And I'm gonna, I don't know where I'm gonna do with one of these, but I'm gonna season it up, wash it down and season it up. And kingfish. So a piece of pumpkin, some sweet corn, and some kingfish. Watch me in the kitchen.
You let me build up my feelings. You shatter them quickly, I let you. It's easier than fighting, but I know I give you everything I am. You throw it away like it's nothing. It's easier than fighting, but I know you're so inside the agony. Stop for a second, breathe. I'd turn it all around if I could, but I know it's not enough. I've been trying to reach you, baby. I lose my mind. You've been kinda see-through lately, but you're good for me. Cause every time you hurt me, I go na-na, oh na-na. Tell me to leave you, I say na-na, no not now. I've been trying to reach you, baby, to understand your face. take a bullet for you. It's easier to let go, but I won't. I need you here, need you right now. You throw it away like it's nothing. It's easier to let go, but I won't. Your soul inside the agony. Stop for a second, breathe. I'd turn it all around if I could, but I know it's not enough. I've been trying to reach you, baby. I lose my mind. You've been kinda see-through lately, but you're good for me. Cause every time you hurt me, I go na-na, oh na-na. Tell me to leave you, I say na-na, no not now. I've been trying to reach you, baby, to understand you better, baby, tonight. Take it all the time, I need to wrap my head around you. Cause God knows I want ya. You're taking everything for me, you don't even know. Your soul inside the agony. Stop for a second, breathe. I'll turn it all around if I could, but I know it's not enough. I've been trying to reach you, baby. I lose my mind. You've been kinda see-through lately, but you're good for me. Cause every time you hurt me, I go na-na, oh na-na. Tell me to leave you, I say na-na, no not now. Come on, help me, I say na-na, oh na-na. Tell me to leave you, I say na-na, no not now. I've been trying to reach you, baby, to understand you better, baby, tonight.
In this crazy life we live, we all need someone to hold, a friend to light the way when the world starts to unfold. Through all the ups and downs, the highs and lows we share, we'll stick together, ride or die. Let's show we really care. Through thick and thin, you've been there by my side, a shoulder to lean on when the tears couldn't hide. You're the one who lifts me up when I'm feeling down. With you, my friend, there's no need to wear a frown.
Guys, this is how they look. I'm gonna take them out
Or
and
friendship,
put them to the side.
all the storms and sunny
I'm gonna
days,
take them out now,
together we'll walk
and then I'll put them in back later. So they look.
friendship,
Put the flour and the curry on it.
friendship. Let's make our colors
I'm gonna
blend
add the season to it. So.
in the silence of the night, or the chaos of the day. You're the one I turn to in every single way. With you, I find solace in the warmth of your embrace.
And I had some pak choi.
Together we
So I
stand
washed
strong in the
a bunch of this pak
sunshine.
choi. Put in there as well.
Friendship, friendship. Let's make
So,
our colors
I'm gonna
blend.
add a little bit of water to that. Actually, hold on. Let it cook down a little bit. So I'm gonna add the fish back to the sauce. Reason for me don't taking them out and add them again is that if I allow them to stay in the pan whilst doing the vegetables and the sauce at the same time, they'll just break. So I just put them in like that. They're already, to be honest, they're already cooked. So all they're gonna do is just simmer with the vegetable and everything, and it looks like curry anyways. Still looks like curry, even though it was done in the flour. Um, my other pot here, I think that's almost done. I'm gonna take my pumpkins out before they all melt away. So yeah, thing coming on good, looking delicious. I'm gonna cook the fish now. So what I'll do is I do this and then just bring the vegetable on top. Yes, this is it. Good. It's looking beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Looks good. Looks really good. So let's have a bite. This is the banana. Some of the banana with the so I'm going to give you some too. Banana is so nice. Soft and nice. I'm taking a piece of the pumpkin for the baby. Crush it for him now. Let's taste the pumpkin. So I've taken a piece of the fish, some of the dumpling, some of the pak choy. Whoop, that's fell off. Guys, thank you so much for watching today's video, and I see you in the next video. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you. Bye.